Hey there, I'm Ken the RV guy, and I help people all over the country find their ideal motorhome. Today we're looking at a 2022 Compass all-wheel drive 23TE from Thor Motor Coach.
We're going to take two passes around this coach so you can see it open and closed. This is a perfect coach for one or two people. It's built on a Ford Transit chassis, 3.1 liter V6 EcoBoost gasoline engine, 310 horsepower, 400 foot-pounds of torque, all-wheel drive, 10-speed auto overdrive transmission, 23 feet 7 inches long, 7.5 feet wide. It's 11 feet tall all the way up to the top. It's got look at that huge 14-foot electric awning. You'll see a 4,000 kilowatt gas generator right over here, along with door side storage. You're going to see a 5,000 pound hitch, outside shower, slide storage, off door storage. You're going to see a 68 pound LP tank. It's got that Ford safety systems. I can talk to you about that if you want to give me a shout. It's got a ton of extra safety features built into the chassis. You're going to absolutely love it. We're going to move inside now, and you're going to see a nice 80-inch interior ceiling height with residential vinyl flooring. Nice pressed laminate countertop. You see a 39-inch retractable TV with a phone charger, USB chargers right in there. 13.5 BTU air conditioner. Nice vacuum bonded laminated roof, walls, and floors with block foam insulation. Look at that rear bath. Look how big that thing is. Huge shower. See, it's got 100-watt solar on top to keep your batteries charged up. I'm going to show you the other side of the kitchen now with a lot of storage. Fridge, you'll see that Murphy bed. I like that in a small coach like this because you get some seating and a bed. You don't have to choose one or the other. Look at the high gloss Euro style cabinetry with hidden hinges. I like those premium shades that keep it all nice and dark. Look at those ball bearing glides in the drawers. Really makes it for nice, easy, smooth pull out. You see a convection oven there, a 2-burner gas top cooktop, undermount stainless steel sink with a faucet that has a pull out on it. Here's a bathroom. Look at all that storage. Foot flush toilet, skylight, power vent. There's a couple of robe hooks inside. Here's where you can use your water heater temp. We're going to walk over here and look. There's where you store the table for when you want to eat. So it does come with the table. And you get to see all these storage. I'll show you inside the refrigerator here so you can get an idea. It's just big enough. This bed has got the Comfort Flex Euro style bed supports. Look at this skylight here. You can open it up and really get some sunlight in it. Opens it up quite a bit. Extra storage. Here into the cockpit, you're going to see an 8-inch color display. It's got a Sirius tuner with an antenna, some leather tilt steering wheel with buttons so you can control things. Backup monitor, leatherette, swivel seats. It's a lot of stuff in a little coach, folks. Perfect for one or two people. Give me a shout if you want to ask more questions, if you want me to give you more information, anything you need. This is a great coach. Looking forward to serving you.
Doobie 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 doom.